All-over baseball jersey is one of the best sellers at Merchise. Besides the classic unisex all-over print baseball jersey, we have introduced a few variations of this shirt in different styles. These versions are designed to fit different styles, genders, and ages. With more variations, we hope that our sellers can cater to different groups of customers with varied preferences and styles. In this instruction video, Merchise will guide you through the process of creating a design for our line of baseball jersey products, which include all-over print unisex baseball jersey, all-over print baseball jersey without piping, all-over print crop top baseball jersey, crop top baseball jersey without piping, all-over print kids and youth baseball jersey, all-over print kids and youth baseball jersey without piping. Even though each product will feature some slight differences in terms of sizes and styles, the design process is similar and can be applied to all products of the all-over print baseball jersey line. Step 1. Access Mockup Generator. Go to Merchise.com. Enter baseball jersey on the search box to browse all the baseball jersey in our catalog. Click on the product of your choice and go to the product page. In this video, we will select the all-over print unisex baseball jersey to create our design. Click on the Start Designing button. You will be redirected to our Mockup Generator page. Step 2. Select variants. The first thing you see is all the size variants of the products along with their base costs. What you need to do is select the sizes for your designs. All sizes are checked by default. If you don't want to include any size, just uncheck the box for that size. With this product, I won't want to change anything, so I just click on Update. Step 3. Add your designs in Mockup Generator. Here is the interface of our Mockup Generator. To the left of the workspace is where you see all the related information to this product and design, including the product name, selected variants, and print file requirements. At the center is the workspace where you work on to create designs for your product. Right on top is the Design Area tabs. Each tab represents the part of the jersey that will show up on our workspace. Here we have different parts of a jersey: front, back, right sleeve, left sleeve, piping, and all areas. At the center design canvas is an outline of the printing area. The gray area represents the bleed area. The border is also the cutting lines for the biggest size. If you don't extend your design to cover this gray area, it might show white fabric on these areas for larger sizes. The white area is the safe zone area where you place all your important design elements. The edge is also the cutting line for the smallest size. So if you don't want your design to be cut off, don't put it outside the white area. For detailed guide on how to create a proper all-over print design, you can just click on this blue icon right here. If you want to apply a specific color as a background color for the design area, just click on this color wheel icon and select from the available options. And if you want to apply that color to every part of the jersey, check the Apply to All Placements box. To move the design area, use the Drag Editor by clicking on hand icon. This plus and minus icon is for adjusting the zoom level of the design canvas, and these two buttons is for redoing and undoing changes. The right sidebar is where you add and adjust all the design elements on your designs. You can add image or add text to your designs using these two buttons. Each element, text or image, will show up here as a layer. Just like on Photoshop or some other editing tools, the top layer will show on top and other layers will be hidden underneath. By clicking on this icon and dragging the layer up and down, you can adjust the layer order as you wish. You can also play around with the available manipulation options for each layer. Now I will add my design to this workspace. After filling all design areas, you can hit the Preview button to start generating mockup for your designs. If you are satisfied with how the mockup look, you can hit the Next button to start listing this product. Price Edit. You must fill the retail price for your products. You can enter the price for each variant individually, or bulk edit by entering new price on this field. Campaign Detail. This is where you edit your product details, from the product title to the product description. Once you've finished your product listing, hit Publish. If you haven't logged into your seller's account, you will be directed to the login page. Step 1. Download template and mockup files. Go to Merchise.com. Use the search box to search for the baseball jersey option you'd like to create design for. on the product page, under the Template and Mockup tab, you can find the link to download the template and mockup file. For this part, we will continue to create design using the template of our all-over print baseball jersey. Step 2. Open template file on Photoshop or Photopea. Go to photopea.com, drag and drop the template to Photopea's workspace. All-over print baseball jersey template explained. Just like in our mockup generator, this template also includes the similar set of design areas, including front, back, right sleeve, left sleeve, and piping. On this template, the green dash line marks the safe zone area where you should place all of your important design elements. The gray area is equal to the bleed area in the mockup generator. Your design should cover this whole gray area. There is a small difference between the template file and the mockup generator. Mockup generator doesn't feature this green line that run around the collars and the front center. This line marks where the piping will be attached to. Step 3. Create designs. Click on File on the top menu. Choose Open and Place to select your designs from your computer. Or you can drag your design to this template, and don't forget what we said about the green dashed line. Always keep your important elements within the green lines. To move your design, use the Move tool or press V. To resize your design, use the Free Transform tool or hold Alt-Control-T, or Control-T in Photoshop. Then drag the corner of the design to adjust the size. Once you finish filling the template, turn off all guide layers and save this file by holding down Ctrl+S. Step 4. Export your print file. If you are satisfied with how it looks, turn off the guide group and other unnecessary layers you don't want to include on your printed design. Now, you can save your file. On Photopea, click on File. Select Export As and choose PNG to export the file in a transparent format. On Photoshop, click on Save As or Save as a Copy, and choose PNG format. You can also click on Export, and choose Quick Export as PNG. At the beginning of this video, I have shown you how to create mockups using our mockup generators. However, our mockup generator only supports a few Ghost Mannequin mockup versions. If you want to diverse your product images with images of real models wearing your design, you can utilize our PSD mockup files and follow these instructions. Step 1. Download mockup files. From the same template and mockup link, open the mockup folder and download the PSD files. You will find different mockup versions along with the preview images. You can look at the preview image, select the ones you like and download the corresponding PSD files. Step 2. Open mockup files on Photoshop or Photopea. Just like with template files, you can open mockup files on Photoshop or Photopea. Step 3. Add your design to mockup. With this mockup version, you can add design for both the male and female model. To add designs to the male model's jersey, double-click on the thumbnail of the Men layer here to open Smart Object. On the new Smart Object tab, before adding your design for the mockup, turn off the test layer and the template guide will reveal. Now you can fill this template with your own design. Afterwards, you should turn off the guide and other unnecessary layers. Then save Smart Object by holding Ctrl+S. Back to our files, you can see the design has been added to our male model's jersey. You can just repeat the process for the female model. Step 5. Save your mockup file. If you are satisfied with how your mockup looks, now you can save your mockup for your own use. Make sure to turn off all guide layers before saving your artwork. You have finished your template and mockup. It's time to upload your design to our fulfillment system and start selling.